Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video of Inkybay Product Personalizer. In today's video, I will discuss about how you can add a common tag to your Shopify products. First of all, let me explain why you need to assign a common tag to your products. Here you can see a product. This is another product. Sometimes you need to assign a common product option on both of the products, or you need to change or hide any buttons or designs of the products. In that case, you can assign a common tag on the Shopify backend with them, and then you can do the same thing. Now let me show you how you can assign a common tag on both of these products. For that, first of all, you need to navigate to the Shopify admin panel, then click on products. Here you can see your Shopify product list. Among the list, you need to find your products where you need to assign the tag. Here is my product. Now you have to click on this product and scroll down a bit. Here in this section, you can see that there is the option of assigning tags. In the text box, you need to write the tag that you want to assign for this product. For this video, I am assigning the tag for text. Then you need to click on this add option. You can see this tag is added with the product. Now you need to save the change. Then you need to go back to your product list again and find another product. After that, click on the product and you can assign the tag by following the same process again. Now this tag is added with both of the products. This is how you can assign a common tag on your Shopify products. Hope this video helps. Thank you.